Right, first of all we've got to make the buttermilk. What it does is it just tenderises the chicken, but you've got to leave it in there for a couple of hours, at least 2 hours, so it can get to work. So right, what we're going to do is going to put some just normal milk here, about that. It's probably about 400 ml. And we're going to put half a tablespoon of lemon juice. So mix that in. You can buy buttermilk from the shop, but this is just the alternative. And then we're going to put these just these small little mini fillets. So we're going to put all them in there. That's quite a big one. The chicken's in the fridge marinating in the buttermilk. I just want to run through some of these ingredients. Right, we've got half a tablespoon of thyme, half a tablespoon of oregano, half a tablespoon of basil. We've got a tablespoon of pepper, a tablespoon of garlic powder, a tablespoon of paprika, a tablespoon of onion powder, and we've got salt. This is my take on it, but as long as you've got these ingredients you can't really go wrong. So what we're going to do is I'm going to mix the dry ingredients up. So I'm going to take 2 of these big spoonfuls. I don't think it really matters how much flour you put in, really, as long as there's enough to coat. Flour's cheap anyway. So I'll just mix all the dry ingredients in here. Like this. Give it a good mix. Very nice. Give it a mix. Let's make some KFC crispy strips. First of all, in the flour. Egg. I like to double dip, because I like a big crust on it. You want to really press it into it as well. Just lay it on the tray. Right, we've got the coating on the chicken, as you can see. We just want to leave that to rest for a good 10 or 15 minutes before we fry it. Right, let's get these bad boys fried. We want it to about 190. Yep. always like it away from you guys. There it is, guys, all fried up. Oh, look at that. Juicy, crispy. And tasty.